Where's the bank? How do I get to the supermarket? Hey Lingoni lovies, welcome back to Lingoni English. My name's Brian, and in this video we're going to look at directions in English. Let's take a look. How do I go to the supermarket? First, I have to go straight. Let's go. So now I need to go left. A way you can remember left in English is when you go like this with your fingers, you have the letter L. Now I need to go right and up the stairs. This is a traffic light. A traffic light can be red, yellow, or green. Traffic light. And this is a crosswalk. I'm crossing the street on crosswalk, and hopefully I won't die. The falafel shop is next to the pizza shop. Next to. The bank is on the corner, but where is the supermarket? The supermarket is across from the bank. The supermarket is across the street from the bank. Across the street from. I made it. I'm here at the supermarket. Now it's time to go shopping. If you're visiting someone and they live in an apartment building, you need to know what floor they live on. Do they live on the first floor? Now, the first floor we also call the ground floor. Or do they live on the second floor, the third floor, the fourth floor, the fifth floor, or something higher? What floor do you live on? By the way, did you know that we also have Lingoni French and German? You can find both of our channels on YouTube and also at lingoni.com. We also have apps for both of those languages in case you want to improve in those. Now, how do you ask for directions? You might walk up to somebody and say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the supermarket is?" So, excuse me. Excuse me, could you tell me where the supermarket is? Could you tell me where the supermarket is? Do you know where the pharmacy is? Do you know where the pharmacy is? I'm lost. I don't know where I'm going. I'm lost. You might say to someone, "Excuse me, I'm a little bit lost. Can you tell me where the library is?" Excuse me, I'm a little bit lost. Could you tell me where the library is? So to review some of the basic expressions for giving directions, first we have to go straight. To go straight. You could also say to continue straight. To continue straight. We also have to go right. To go right. As well as to turn right. So to turn is to do this. Turn right. And to turn left or go left. If you're going the wrong way, so not the correct way, then you need to turn around. So if I'm going this way, I'm going straight. Now I am turning around to go the other way. So again, to turn around or turn around.
Excuse me.
Oh, hey there.
I'm a little lost. Can you tell me where Main Street is?
Yeah, so for Main Street, you just go straight down this way for about 5 minutes and then go left and you'll be there.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sure thing. Excuse me?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a restaurant. Do you know where there's a good restaurant nearby?
Do you like pizza?
Yeah, I love pizza.
Okay, there's a really nice one around the corner. So
Okay.
just walk for 2 minutes straight
Okay,
and then take a right and it's right there on the corner.
great. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I'm going with you.
Oh no!
Now there you have it, directions in English. Thanks for watching Lingoni English. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to lingoni.com to check out our app. There we have all kinds of exercises, worksheets, listening exercises, and more for you to improve your English. See you there. Danke! I'm gonna do that again. Bye, bitch. The 5th floor. Did I forget 4th? Me.
It was good, good, good.
Cool. Let's go. We're gonna let the bike go too.